Hey everyone, welcome back to the Limoneira YouTube channel. My name is Megan Roosevelt. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, the founder of Healthy Grocery Girl, and spokesperson for Limoneira's One World of Citrus. It's March, that means that the first day of spring is almost here, and in today's video we're talking all about spring cleaning featuring Limoneira lemons. Lemons are a great natural cleaner because of their high level of citric acid, low pH, and their antibacterial properties, and lemons also smell so refreshing. By simply mixing fresh lemon juice with water and sometimes a little vinegar, you can clean a variety of household items. A word of caution, do not use lemon juice to clean natural stone countertops or anything brass plated. If it's real brass though, then lemon juice works great. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I clean one of my favorite kitchen items, and that is my tea kettle. I use this multiple times a day. As you can see, it gets mineral deposits at the bottom, which can affect the kettle's performance and eventually burn flaking off into my hot water. So luckily, my tea kettle is super easy to clean, and it's easy to clean naturally thanks to lemons. So what we'll do is we'll start with an empty tea kettle, and then we're going to pour in 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. Perfect, and then we'll add in 2 cups of water. The measurements do not have to be exact. Next, what we'll do is we're going to just turn on the tea kettle, we'll bring the water and the lemon juice to a boil, and then after it boils, we'll just let it sit for about 1 to 2 hours. Then dump out and rinse the water. If you have really bad deposits, you may need to scrub a little bit with a bottle brush after the water has cooled down. That's it. It is so easy to clean your tea kettle with just lemon juice and water. And what I love about cleaning with lemons is it's such a natural, non-toxic way to clean a variety of items in your household. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing to the Limoneira YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and also look for sustainably grown Limoneira Citrus next time you head to the grocery store. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!